This is my fun, whimsical little heart that I want to show you guys how to do some couching. It's a couching stitch. And I'm out here with my fabrics. I'm in my comfy spot. I got Rudy. And got my threads. And we also got my, just all my little scrap bits here, the little threads and yarn or fibers and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. So you can see here that this is some denim threads that I pulled off some jeans, just some denim, and I just took it and am swirling it around, and just the couching stitch is just when you go around things and sew it down. Instead of sewing through it, you just go on each side of it like that, you can see there, and you sew things down. So I'm just taking some of my threads and little fibers and stuff like that, and I'm just going to keep swirling them around and putting down some fun things on here, and we'll go from there. I wanted to show you guys this so you could see I went around right here, and then I got to here and got a little knot in my thread. So I was thinking, instead of trying to get it out, because I can't get it out, I'm just gonna lay it with the rest of the threads right here, because you can see it's right here. I don't know if you can see that. So see that little knot right there? I cannot get it out. So instead of cutting it, I'm just gonna pull it as far as I can get it, and then just incorporate it into my little spiral that I have going around, and then just keep doing a couching stitch all the way around. So as you can see, I'm taking my fabric here. This is a fabric piece, and just I attached it around, and I'm going to take it. You could twist it if you want, like that, and then just going on either side here. And these make great gifts, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. These would be perfect. Or to make it for yourself. I mean, these little heart. And I said this was batting. I just did this out of some batting. So of it. And then just pop it down over onto the other side like that. Make sure I'm in frame here. If you want, just twist it. And these would be fun to do like a fabric patch. You could do a patchwork on it, and you know, do your threads like we're doing here. Some fun little threads, and I mean, you could just do all kinds of stuff on here. You could even do some paper piecing. That would be fun. And these would be great. You could do like a journal cover with them. You know, make a bunch of these and then just attach them to like a journal cover and have a bunch of little whimsical hearts everywhere. I think that would look really cool. So your imagination is anywhere you want to take it. So you can see, I think it's coming along nicely. And you can just maneuver things around how you want it. You can take it and twist it around. I don't know if you guys can hear the little waterfall kind of sound in the background. It's my my fish tank, and it's the little pump in the back, the little filter, and yeah, it kind of sounds like a waterfall. So it's like a peaceful, fun little sound. I love having it. It's just so relaxing. I mean, just like doing the slow stitch like this is just super relaxing. I mean, I've said it before, but it helps take down your blood pressure and your heart rate, and just take a deep breath, you know, and just relax. It's just really meditative for sure. So let's see. I mean, you can even bring it around like this. And you could go in between the swirl and just start working it around like that. I mean, there's just so much you can do on this. You could just keep going. This is a great way to use up all your scraps and make some really pretty artwork. And it's definitely beginner friendly and easy, and it's super fun. And I love just sitting out in my little comfy chair here and just relaxing and, you know, listening to the fish tank, or maybe watching my favorite show, or, you know, whatever just relaxes you. And this is just a great, fun thing to do. You know, and it's a great little conversational piece too. It's really neat. Because, I mean, you could sew this to the front of a little bag. Would be cute, like a little pouch. I think that would be really fun. Or do a like a slow stitch journal, which let me know in the comments down below if you guys would be interested in if we did like a fun little stitch journal where I can, you know, put some fabric pages in, or maybe even some batting pages in the journal, and we could do some fun just slow stitch. So let me know. Comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button. It gets my video out there further for other people to see how to do a fun little whimsical heart with some couching stitch. I mean, this is just so much fun. So you can just keep weaving it in and out. Just take this and go around the circle. And you don't have to do spirals or anything, but I just think that it looks kind of cool. It's just kind of what I started doing. Okay, so you can see I got it all swirled in there, and we can just take it and just keep working it around like that. We're just gonna pop it up through there. So we're pretty much just tacking it down. So I think that turned out really fun. And then you could just snip that off if you want, or just let it hang. Just like that. So there we go. So now if you want, you can keep adding some more stuff in between and do little patch, maybe some little patchwork, like cut off some little pieces of just fun fabric and do some little patchworks throughout on it. And yeah, so I'll continue doing it and I will come back and show you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And there's something else I wanted to show you guys. Check out the end screen on this video.